Hello. So I'm going to try and show you my Tracie Fox day one. I'm a bit behind. Advent calendar. So I followed along with Tracie's tutorial, which I'll link below. I did it a little bit different, but not much. So I don't know if you can see, but there's like, I put quite a bit of glossy on the berries and some, what's that called? The Nouveau glitter drops on there, and then put a tag in. That was the first one. So that will go on the bottom, and then the next layer I did the same here, and I put glossy around it. I don't know if you can see that. And just back them with on white cardstock. So that'll be the second layer. And then for the third one, I did the I put a little pocket on there and decorated with a few of, cut out a few of the poinsettias. And then the next label, the next tag I did little Christmas trees, and I did put, these were from Tracie's Ko-fi page, and there were a freebie on there. Thank you, Tracie. And then I put a little bit of just the red from a red and white, lots of ums. I put the red bit of a red and white string, and then that just pops in there. And then the very last one is the 1st of December. I just did a little bit of a Christmas tree stamp in Vintage Photo, and just put some Nouveau drops in black on the one, and a bit of glossy accents around the edge of the tag. And then I've got the ball and the chain here, and then I will just put that through as Tracie did on her video. And it'll go all the way through, and then that'll attach there. So I'll link Tracie's video below, because she did it a lot better than me. I'm not used to doing tutorials, so I just wanted to show you my effort. And I'll link hers below. Thanks very much. Day one caught up. Yay!